At first glance, a car appears to be a simple machine, but beneath its sleek exterior lies one of the most remarkable engineering systems ever created, the internal combustion engine. To understand how a car moves, we must look inside. The body becomes transparent, revealing the heart of the vehicle, the engine. The engine converts the chemical energy stored in fuel into mechanical energy that ultimately turns the wheels. Inside the engine, dozens of precision-engineered components work together with perfect timing. Every combustion event begins with air. The intake system delivers clean air into the cylinders where combustion will occur. Fuel injectors precisely spray fuel into the combustion chamber, creating the ideal air-fuel mixture. Next, the piston moves upward, compressing the mixture. Compression increases efficiency and prepares the charge for ignition. The spark plug ignites the compressed mixture. Rapid combustion releases energy, forcing the piston downward and generating power. The piston's downward movement is transferred through the connecting rod to the crankshaft, converting straight-line motion into rotation. The camshaft controls valve timing, ensuring fresh air enters and exhaust gases leave at exactly the right moment. After combustion, spent gases leave through the exhaust system, making room for the next cycle. By repeating this process thousands of times every minute, the engine continuously converts fuel into motion. From combustion inside tiny cylinders to rotation at the wheels, every journey is powered by precision engineering.